Today we are going to be at my client's house, CLAVE7. He just opened up a new taco truck at another location, and he invited me over his house so we can bust out content for the menu on that truck. So today we're just going to be hanging out. We're going to eat breakfast, make content. We're going to do a lot of green screen. He had mentioned something about green screen on WhatsApp app, but I've never seen that. I know we can do it on TikTok. CapCut, I know I can do it, but it's kind of hard to like track where you're pointing at in real time. So the only way I know is like through TikTok, where you put the photo and then you can see yourself and the photo and you can talk right there. If you know any other apps that knows how to do that, like see the green screen in real time, please let me know in the comments so I can look it over. As far as that, I'm just waiting for him. He's at the gym. He's coming over right now. So once he gets here, then we'll get started. And I want that coffee. I know you got a good coffee machine, so I'm about to try that. And it shows everything.
That's perfect for a business, huh?
That's why like I was... So this is a cappuccino?
Mm-hmm. I was supposed to make the shape, but you messed me up, bro.
I'm tripping out like how fucking close it is with this.
Shit, and it looks beautiful, huh?
Yeah, because it has like... So right now we were able to mirror this onto the TV. So when we film him, he's going to be looking at the TV while I'm on that side, and you'll see it right now. Let's put the camera right over here. How do I look? Avocado. It's an avocado. Thanks. I do need a haircut though.
Teeny second.
That light.
Or some bounces here under some.
En primer lugar, tenemos los nachos, los riquísimos nachos. Van a estar tortillita recién no, ¿cómo se dice? Ok. Segundo lugar, los burritos CLAVE7. Yeah, I messed up on this one a lot, bro. Okay, alright. Okay, okay.
That part is.
Wow.
So yeah, keep the last one.
Yeah, we did it.
We did it, bro. You did it.
Muy bien.
Ya, mami, ya puedes bajar.
Right off the lake. That's pretty dope. So the way I go about from not getting burnt out from all the clients I work with, just taking a break. Sometimes you gotta take a break and go fishing. Record yourself and go fishing. I'm not even fishing. I don't even know what the hell I'm doing.